Hey friends, if you wish to fix DNS error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The second solution is to flush DNS. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. It will mention successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And the last one is to power cycle the modem, router and computer. Now how do we do this? Switch off the modem, router, computer, all three devices. Now only switch on the modem and no other device. Wait for all the lights to be stable, and once the lights are stable, then switch on the router. Then wait for all lights to be stable and finally switch on the computer. It will pick up the IP address. If this doesn't help either, then the last solution will be more of a workaround. It won't be a solution, and that is to use Google's DNS. Okay, so how do we do this? Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. It would be selected at obtain DNS server address automatically by default. Selected at the second one, type 8.8.8.8 and then type 8.8.4.4 and click on OK, and then click on OK once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.